Savior Bear. Two sisters lived near a forest. One day, as they were collecting firewood in the forest, some tribal people came charging towards them. The frightened sisters ran deep into the forest. They finally found a place to hide in the hollow bark of a tree. After a while, a bear walked towards the tree. He just stood calmly and gestured the sisters to come out. The sisters were confused and frightened, but they listened to the bear anyway. The bear then led the two sisters to a cave near a river. He even brought food and water and protected them the entire night. The next morning, the bear led the two sisters safely back to their village. Just as the two sisters turned to thank the bear, he disappeared into thin air. No one ever saw the bear again. It is said that even today, bear protects innocent people who are in trouble in the forest. The Cunning Fox's Trick. A group of people was camping in a forest. By evening, they suddenly realized that they had no food left for dinner. A man said, "I will bring some fresh meat. We can make a bonfire and roast it." He took a club and went to the lake thinking that animals would come to drink water. He lay on the ground and pretended to be dead. After some time, some foxes came to the lake. The fox chief said, "I will check if this man is pretending to be dead." So the fox pulled the man's club cautiously. The man pulled back his club at once and quickly threw his club at the fox. Unfortunately, he missed his aim. He looked for the other foxes, but everybody had run far away. The man thought, "I tried to play a trick on the animals, but the cunning fox played a better trick on me." Trust your parents. A lion king wanted his son to learn good skills and be a good ruler when he grew up. So he decided to send him to the wise ape. However, the cub pleaded, "Father, I do not want to leave this comfortable life and go." The lion replied, "Son, you must be well trained. It will help you to rule the kingdom well." Unwillingly, the cub left his family and stayed with the wise ape in another forest. There, he learned many skills and tricks. 5 years later, an enemy pride of lions attacked the Lion King's forest. A message was sent for the cub. The well-trained cub came back to help his father. He fought bravely and defeated the enemies. The proud lion hugged him with tears in his eyes. He said, "Well done, son, but never misunderstand your parents. Parents have to take tough decisions for their children's good." The cub apologized to his father for mistaking his motive. The Golden Bell. A thief stole a golden bell from the king's palace and ran into the forest to hide. There, a tiger saw him hiding behind a tree and pounced on him. Some monkeys found the bell and started playing with it. A woodcutter found the thief's body and thought, "A monster living in the forest has killed him and is ringing the bell. He will surely kill us all." He spread the word and people started fleeing the kingdom. The king was very worried, but a hunter came to him and said, "Your Majesty, I will find the monster and kill him." The clever hunter took some fruits and water before leaving for the forest. He saw the monkeys playing with the bell and offered the fruits to them. The monkeys dropped the bell and started eating the fruits. The hunter picked the golden bell up and went back. The king rewarded him handsomely for his bravery.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.